Hello guys, once again welcome back to this channel. This is Taha from bloggerdigest.com. Today I'm gonna talk about best Thinkific alternatives, that is Zenler versus Thinkific, and gonna do a detailed review on it. So let's get started. Okay, so let's begin this video. This video is about finding a better alternative for Thinkific, which is Zenler. So Zenler is new player in the market, which is way better than Thinkific. So let's look at the screen right now. So you will notice the basic plan begins at 49 a month, and they have three different plans. So basic is 49 USD per month, pro plan is available at $99, and the premium plan at 499 USD per month, which is crazy. And which way? So let's begin and understand what are the major differences between the plans and what are they giving at that price point. Right, so let's go and deep dive into full features. So I'm gonna do a basic plan comparison of Thinkific and the basic plan comparison of Zenler. So Zenler is available at around, if we calculate it, is around $53 per month, although they only have the annual package, which is $647 per annum, right? And Thinkific sells it for $49 per month. So now let's look at the major differences. So in Thinkific, you can get student courses reviews, you can host unlimited courses, you can host unlimited student, which is great. You can get quizzes, you can get surveys, you have unlimited courses. As said earlier, there are no assignments. Most importantly, there are no live sessions with Zoom. So Zoom is not available in basic plan, it is only available in the pro plan at 99. But ladies and gentlemen, in Zenler, if you go, you can do live session for 500 people. That is super crazy, each unlimited session. And that is crazy because if you notice, the costing of Zoom itself for 300 to 500 people would be somewhere around $140 to $160 approximately, right? So you can host meetings for your students, and you can host webinars for your students. You can save the recording and you can upload it back on the Zenler. So all this is available at just around $53 per month on Zenler, but they don't give you it in Thinkific basic plan. Yes, so this is one of the major criteria you should really look at, because here you are not getting anything for $49 that you are paying. And even if you pay the higher amount, which is $19 per month for pro plan, you will just get Zoom live sessions. Yes, just not that, you will actually require separate Zoom action as well. So you need Zoom account as well. So even if you go on the pro plan, you will have to pay for the Zoom, as well as this is totally out of scope and this is way a lot of money. So you can just go ahead, do webinars, do your meetings with your students from within Zenler itself, and this feature is not available anywhere else. Now when it comes to marketing aspects, you can create free, paid and time limited courses, which is great feature. You will get instant access to your funds. And then there are some basic integrations with Weber and ConvertKit, which is pretty basic and there is nothing to make noise about it as such as. But the most important part, that is, you don't have bundles and membership. Okay, do not forget what does bundle mean. It is, let's say you have 4 different courses, all right, and if you want to create a bundle, and for one payments of, let's say, $99, you want to give access to all the 4 bundles, all the 4 courses in one bundle. So that is not available for the basic plan, ladies and gentlemen. But in Zenler, not only you get bundles, but you also get membership sites where you can get recurring monthly income from people, and that is where you can pay them. They can pay you monthly and you can conduct live classes for them. So that is such a good feature that is available only in Zenler. Next, when it comes to design customization, you can custom brand your site, you can add course catalog, which is all good. Custom domains are there and that is perfect. and you cannot remove Thinkific branding which comes along with the video. So next is student experience. You cannot create a community with your or within your Thinkific account, but in NewZenler you can definitely create a community for your students. So it can act like a Facebook group within your courses. It can act like, you know, all those membership sites where people go and enroll themselves and they talk among each other, so you don't have to pay extra for any other tool. Here is the one place where you get everything pretty much. Yes, and when it comes to teaching, you don't get completion certificate. So this is crazy. I don't know why would they stop you from getting that, but the course completion certificate is not there in the basic plan, so be aware of that. But once somebody completes a course in NewZenler, and look, once they complete around fully 100%, automatically the name is generated of the person who has completed the course name and the course site, which is your site from where the certification is gonna come, and you know it. They can automatically download and go ahead in Zenler. There is a beauty about it. See, they do have templates for certificates which are pretty good, but if you want to upload your own certificate, then there is something called as SVG file format. So these are made by professionals, so you can just go somewhere and hire one professional for making that SVG certificate, and automatically it will go and pick up the name of the person who has completed the course, and they can download as such. So there are templates available for somewhere about 6 to 7 templates. Let me just show you what kind of templates that are available inside, and then you can decide which one you want to pick. So you can see, you can enable the certificate for the course, that is classic gold, classic red, blue, contemporary gold. So all these almost 6 types of certificates you can automate directly from here without any technology that you need. Okay, so now next is site administration. So you have only one admin here, but in Zenler you almost get 3 admins as such, and the most important is the number of school in Zenler. Okay, so what I mean by school is, let's say you have 3 friends and 3 of them are in different niches and 3 of them have different courses. You guys can get only one Zenler account and host 3 different courses, and everything will actually follow parallelly for these 3 sites, right? So the data of one site will not be merged with the data of another. It is gonna be purely different as such. So you guys get 3 schools, right? So don't forget, you can have 3 people who can partner each other, and this is what you get on this plan, and you can make use of it. And this is again, there is crazy feature that comes in Zenler with $53 a month. Next is advanced student segmentation. This is not available. Webhook is not available here in basic, which can be detrimental as such, because if you want to automate a lot of things, if you are and if you know an advanced automation guy, you definitely require Webhook, bulk import and enroll students. This is not available. One of the biggest things to note here in Zenler, you can have bulk enrollment is possible. Yes, if you have thousands of people, you put the entire list into 1,000 at once, and you can send them courses access immediately for all the 1,000 people, and that is not available in Thinkific basic plan as such. Yes, not just in basic but even in pro plan, that is 99. It is not available only in the growth plan, so you have to pay somewhere about 200 per month, which is again a crazy feature as such. So now you guys can see here the price per month billed monthly is 49. For pro it is 99, and if you go for annually, it is going to cost you $447, which is not same as Zenler annual plan, but you get so much more than that. Okay, now let me show you what are the special features that are available in new Zenler and the plan. And there is no transaction fee for free courses, there is no transaction fee for paid courses. You don't have to pay anything as compared to Thinkific. Also does not charge, but Teachable charges you about 5% or something, right? So they do have a monthly plan. You have to actually contact the support team and they will send you a private link for $47 per month if you want to go, but their annual plan starts with 447 per annum, right? So yes, there are live sessions in Zoom, 300 people for 2 hours unlimited session. The email marketing is possible. You can send up to 1 lakh emails per 100,000 emails per month. There are advanced email marketing tactics as well, so that you can create a lot of filters. There are marketing funnels. What I mean by funnel is basically you can go and create something similar to ClickFunnels, right? So once you create a funnel, in creating you can put the name, you can put their email, so you can really generate the awesome leads. So through that you can increase your sales. So that's it for the creating funnels, and you can generate leads within a seller itself. So this is crazy, and you can maintain around 25,000 leads in Zenler in the monthly plan, which is also very good number. 25,000 is huge number. Yeah, so not just I have discussed about the school's monthly email credit is discussed, the number of leads you can maintain is 25,000. You can create a social media. People can go and talk to each other from the same course. Alright, so people, if you have 1,000 courses, you can create 1,000 different communities for different people, and they can all come together and talk to you. So there is no problem of going and creating a Facebook group and going through all the drama, but you can just go and do it from right here itself. And then you have 10 site admins. So 10 site admins are possible, 20 courses author, that is webbook, and API possible, a lot of automation. Your students can give you reviews within the courses, and yeah, that's it about it. So there are crazy features available in the Zenler, just at around $53 monthly plan. So you can notice I have pretty much. So courses, you can create your funnels, so you don't need ClickFunnels account. This replaces ClickFunnels for you, which means you can save almost 97 per month. Okay, next you can also even send email marketing. So this is a platform from where you can see the delivery rate, open link, and you can notice the delivery, and which is also pretty nice and cool feature provided by Zenler. On point, you can create communities from here, and you can go live from within. This is not just that you can hold your live classes, you can have a HD. Remember, in Zoom you can only do 720p, but here if you have good bandwidth, you can even do and go to 1080p workshop from here, which is again crazy feature. And not just that, you can live stream to Facebook Live and YouTube Live from here, so you don't need to have any other tool like OneStream Live or something like that. You can do it right from here itself. So this is the right platform. This is the one platform, like super robust platform, trying to save you tons and tons of money. Right now, coming to the straight point, that Thinkific basic plan is at $49 a month, the Thinkific Pro is at $99 a month, and Thinkific Premier is at $499 a month. While considering the new Zenler plan, we have it at around $53 a month, but we need to pay in the whole amount. So while paying it in a year, it goes around $647 a year, which is all set for the price. But you can always choose new Zenler as compared to Thinkific, because new Zenler has a lot of features to provide for you, and you can save tons of money and save a lot of time for you. That's it. Okay guys, that was it for this video. In the end, I would just like to say that what Zenler gives in this price range is much more as compared to that of Thinkific, so please choose wisely. And if you want to start a free trial of Zenler, please do check the link in description box below for free trial. And if you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.